I have had so many people ask me how to view my videos in different languages. And so I want to share with you exactly how you can watch my videos in your language. Here is what you do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find a video. I have so many videos to choose from. You can use the little magnifying glass search bar to search for a video that works for you. You will have to do that in English. Now, when you find the video that you want to work with or the playlist, just click on it and then you can bring up any video that sounds good. Now, this area down here highlighted is what we're going to want to work with. I've just chosen a random video of mine, and I want to show you that if you click on the CC button, you will see closed captions that are automatically generated in English. Now that you have clicked on that CC button, showing the English auto-generated captions, go to Settings and then go to Auto Translate. Auto Translate. From there, you can choose your language, and I'm going to show you an example of translating to Dutch. Now, one of my friends is a person who can speak both Arabic and French, and she has tried this translation tip in both of those languages, and she said that it's about 90% accurate, 80 to 90% accurate. So it's not perfect, but it is helpful. And you can, again, play with different languages. I'm going to show you another version. We'll try it in Spanish as well. I speak a little bit of Spanish, and it looked pretty accurate. There is no punctuation, but it's still helpful to see it in your language. I really, really hope this helps you. And please know that things change really quickly on the internet and online. So this may not stand true in the future, but right now, this is the process for being able to watch my videos or anybody else's videos that you want to watch in your language. I hope you'll use this and I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, remember to eat clean, move every day, and you will shine brighter. I'll see you next time.